Well, hi guys, it's a very wet night. It's been sunstorm and I was absolutely soaked right through. I'll just turn that down, that's better. Turn that up the way, no, down the way I think, that's probably about better. I got soaked to the skin, had to strip right down to the white runs and get into the bivy and Gore-Tex Army Carinthia bag, and so I should be quite dry during the evening. But you know, it does protect you from the wind and the rain, and once you get it proofed, it's a really good piece of kit. And so I'm not going to give up on my Lavvu quite yet, because it is a relatively sheltered, drought-free zone. However, it's home for the night. So this is the Mickey Roo Unified Bug Out Night. I've chosen Saturday the 13th to do mine, but there are a few people responding. It's really nice to see that. I'm really pleased with that. So I'm just going to make a light meal and just enjoy the sound of the forest. It's about 8 or 8:30 now. What a grand picture from the Lavvu. A couple of hours time I'll just crash out, and at dawn I believe the weather's to be dry, so until the morning, Harry out. Well, I made it through the night. What a wet night it was. Condensation, rain, it was incredible. And we kept dry. The Carinthia did work. Thumbs up for that. And of course, the real hero in all of this was of course the Lavvu, the Polish military Lavvu. He really did feel protected from the wind and from the rain. Okay, there's a bit of proofing needing done, as I said last night. I don't think I've proofed it well enough with the spray can. It'll have to be some heavy duty Fibersil spray, paying particular attention to the areas that I think need it. So I haven't written the Lavvu off. I love it. It's a great piece of kit, and especially for Scottish conditions, and Polish of course. Very similar. The winters are quite unpleasant sometimes, and you want to get protection, one from the wind and from the sleet, ice and rain. And the Lavvu is ideal for that, because you know, in winter conditions you don't get a lot of heavy moisture. It's mainly snow, ice and hail. So it's ideal for snow winter protection with an Arctic bivy bag. So the Carinthia that I mentioned is the bag of choice for me. It's smaller, much smaller than the Dutch Arctic bag that I demonstrated in a previous video. This one's half the size, compact, and it is cosy without a shadow of a doubt, with the Carinthia camo bivy bag wrapped around it. So watertight inside the Lavvu as well, so if there were leaks last night I wasn't going to worry myself too much. And the thing I like about the Carinthia military bivy bag is it's slightly narrow at the bottom but really quite wide at the top, so you've got loads of spare material to flip over and then tie the cord and just have your face showing. So it really is a fabulous piece of kit, so I highly recommend it. Of course, most of you are probably converted to the Dutch military hooped bivy, and I think I would be as well, but I want to travel light, so I'm trying to find ways of doing that. But the Lavvu does weigh half a ton, so you really have to put that into the equation. So it may well be that a very lightweight method of travel is to use the tarp and the Carinthia sleeping system with the Dutch Army non-hooped camo bivy bag, Gore-Tex. So that could be the next experiment that I'll perform. So I want to have a shout out to Hugh of Computer Survival, who does military surplus down in Hoyk in the Borders, and he's really a good guy. He gives you a very good price, a good deal. He's got a tremendous amount of kit, so he's got two businesses running in tandem, and I don't know which one's going to win, and making good with both his computer supply, repair, etc., and his army obsession, like a lot of us, with army kit and trying it out. So from me, shout out to Hugh, from me till next time, a goodbye. Oh, of course, this was a unified bug out weekend. Mickey Roo and Viking Mick and all these other people no doubt were roughing it as I was last night. I think I got a good 4 or 5 hours sleep, but it was quite a disturbed night. I need a better mattress. I don't think these little fine mattresses are ideal for somebody of my physique, so I'll probably go for a cheap use and throw away thicker camping mattress, and that'll give a bit more back protection on the ground. So I think that kind of winds it all up, and so till the next camp, chin chin. Oh, that does hit the spot. Cheers. Yeah, this might be a peaceful environment, but it's wild.